Are you intrigued by what the future holds? Daniel 2 offers profound insights into future developments, detailing God's divine prophecy from the time of Daniel to the end of the world. In this chapter, we see King Nebuchadnezzar receive a special revelation from God. Surprisingly, Daniel and his friends aren't summoned when the king seeks an interpretation for his troubling dream. Unlike the wise men who demand the dream's details, Nebuchadnezzar requires something deeper: trustworthiness. His distrust turns to wrath, resulting in a death decree aimed at the wise men. Though Daniel is not among those wise men initially, he soon seeks clarification and requests time to interpret the king's dream. Unlike others, Daniel does not ask for the details. Instead, he calls on God with assurance. This reflection of faith and humility poignantly reveals Daniel's prayer life, showcasing his daily commitment to seeking God. As Daniel approaches the king with the interpretation, he illustrates his selflessness by focusing not just on his fate, but also on his friends and the wise men. This take on Daniel's character exemplifies faith, courage, and a deep relationship with God, allowing him to use his gifts for a greater purpose. The dream described by Nebuchadnezzar signifies the transient nature of earthly kingdoms, starting with Babylon and extending to God's eternal kingdom. The sequential representation of metals illustrates the rise and fall of empires, culminating in a divine establishment by God. The stone in the prophecy symbolizes Christ, emphasizing our relationship's importance with him to ensure our place in his kingdom. History is under God's control, moving toward a glorious future, with his overarching aim guiding our individual lives, even when the path seems unclear. In conclusion, trusting God as Lord of history encourages us to commit our lives to him. The prophecy of Daniel 2 not only informs us of the future, but reminds us we are part of God's greater plan. So embrace your faith, trust him, and look forward to a blessed future.